Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how to auto-roll your dice on Monopoly Go. To auto-roll on Monopoly Go, launch open the Monopoly Go application. Now, after logging into the account, you will be able to see that in order to play Monopoly Go, you'll need to hit the Go button in red at the bottom, and this will roll your dice and help you move forward in the game. While playing Monopoly Go, it might be a hassle for you to keep pressing the Go button. So for that, you can enable auto roll by pressing and holding the Go button for a few seconds. Once the red button turns green, you will be auto rolling on Monopoly Go. While the dice auto rolls for you, you can stand back and watch your progress. If you ever want to stop the auto roll, tap the green button once again, and you will then be able to manually roll the dice and move forward back again. So that's how you easily auto roll on Monopoly Go for easy and speedy experience. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.